Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Vivomove Luxe, and I'm gonna show you how to change the time on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by tapping on it. Tap on it, double tap. Basically double tapping should work, but sometimes it's a bit wonky for it to wake up. And after the screen wakes up, press and hold on it to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu and find the settings icon. Once you find it, tap on it. Here, scroll through the menu. Oh no, never mind. Let's enter the settings. Now, let's scroll through the menu and find the option called the time. And once you find the time option, tap on it to enter. Now, scroll and find the option called time source. Tap on it, change it to manual, and tap on it. And now we can tap on the check mark to confirm and basically change the time. So tap on set time, change the hour, then minutes. And once you're done, the time will be changed, and you can go back to the watch face to see that the change applied. And that's how you change the time on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.